Hello YouTube, this video is a little bit different from something I usually do. As you see, I've got the meter in here. Got this Hunter 4-speed control. I've had this for a while and I've tested it once and it didn't seem like it was working. I come to realize I tested it on a fan that was a 2 amp fan, not a 2.5, and this is meant for the non-reversible higher amperage fans, 2.5 amps, because this is a 3 amp control. So that may have been why it wasn't working. So I went to test it again on a 2.5 motor. So luckily 2.5 motor is right here. So let's go ahead, we're going to put it on to low. We'll change that to high. Low speeds 1.2. Medium low. .5. Medium high is 2 amps. And last one needs full power. Going a whole 2.3. So the reason the motor's making that noise is because it's hanging on bare metal. The reason I've been turning it off each time I click the switches is just because there's no ground in the system. The last thing I need to do is get shocked by this control. So yeah, this control, let's see what the date is on it. From 1989. And so it works actually as it should, looks like. I'm going to do a second part of this video just doing direct power on the fan. We're going to see what that draws. Be right back. Alright, so here's a better look at the control. So I might be interested in buying a few more of these since these are kind of cool and they will work with the models I like, which are usually the 2.5 models. I haven't hooked up direct power, so we're going to see. One amp. .3. Okay, so that's weird. What's the chain pulled? How did that work? So I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, so that's weird. So unless the chain pulled, apparently that control was running on the low speed setting on the fan, making it draw 2.3 amps. Well, that's fucking weird. Huh. I might hook it up again. Here, actually I'm going to keep the video on, that way you can see that I don't mess with it. So it's 2.3, which is high speed, and there's the fan. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to set the camera. Cord. Okay, that's not going to work. Let's set the camera. The camera lens is at the bottom, that's not good. Not sure if you can see me or not, but either way. So what we're going to do is we're going to power it off. I'm going to leave this in high. We're going to rewire it, because like I said, something is off. At first I didn't want to believe it, but this is why I was having that issue the first time, I think. So let's see. So there that is. Now, like you see, I'm just doing I'm just rewiring it. The control is set to high. Alright, so pull chain is still on high. I've not done anything with that. Turning it on. And we're drawing 1.4. But if I go ahead and pull the pull chain, that's supposed to be low. And low draws high speed. So if anyone can explain what's going on, I would greatly appreciate it. Maybe the control is faulty, I don't know. Because I know the controls are old. But it's weird that it's switching the coil somehow. I don't know how it's doing that. If anyone knows, let me know. I appreciate it. Thanks.